Are you looking for a side hustle? There are many options out there, and it can be confusing to know which one is right for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 9 best side hustles for 2023. These are businesses you can start with little to no money, and they have the potential to make you a lot of money. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra money, be sure to check out this video. We help teach people about money, personal finance, and investments. If you're interested in improving your financial future, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if this video is helpful. Be a pet sitter. If you love animals, consider becoming a pet sitter. This is a great way to earn some extra money, and it's also a lot of fun. You can offer your services to families in your area who need someone to watch their pets while they're away. This can be a great way to get to know some new furry friends. Sell handmade goods online. If you're crafty and enjoy making things by hand, you may be wondering if you can sell your handmade goods online. The good news is that there are a number of ways to do this, and you can even get started without spending any money on a website or online store. Do freelance work. One way to make extra money is to do freelance work. You can start by checking out job boards or even Craigslist to find gigs that suit your skills. Once you build up a portfolio of work, you can start approaching clients directly and offering your services. This can be a great way to earn some extra cash, and it can even lead to a full-time job if you're able to find consistent work. Do home-based computer repairs. If you're a whiz with fixing computers, you can start a business doing home-based computer repairs. You can advertise your services online or through word of mouth, and customers will contact you when they need help fixing their computers. You can either visit their home to fix the problem, or they can bring their computer to you. You'll need to have a good understanding of how to fix common computer problems, and you'll need to be able to diagnose problems quickly. Once you get started, you can build up a loyal customer base and start making a good income from home-based computer repairs. Sell products online. You can sell products online through your personal website or blog, or through an online marketplace like eBay or Amazon. You can also sell products through an online retailer, such as an online clothing store or an online electronics store. Offer your services as a tutor. If you're looking to make some extra money, why not offer your services as a tutor? You can tutor students in person or online, and depending on your qualifications, you can charge a pretty penny. Plus, tutoring is a great way to help others to improve their grades and knowledge. Whether you're a college student looking to make some extra money or a retired teacher looking to supplement your income, tutoring can be a great option. Start a blog. If you have a passion for writing and you're looking for a way to make some extra money in 2022, starting a blog is a great option. Not only can you earn money through advertising and affiliate marketing, but you can also sell products and services through your blog. And if you build up a large enough audience, you can even get paid to speak at events or write for other publications. Offer your services as a personal shopper. If you are organized and love to shop, then offer your services as a personal shopper. You can help people save time by doing the shopping for them. This can be a great service for busy professionals, new moms, or anyone who doesn't have the time to shop for themselves. Do landscaping work. Many people enjoy working on their landscaping to make their property look nicer. Landscaping can involve many different things, such as planting flowers, shrubs, and trees, as well as trimming hedges and pulling weeds. It can be a lot of work, but it can also be very rewarding to see the results of your labor. Conclusion. There are a variety of great side hustle ideas for 2023. If you are looking to make some extra money, consider one of these options. Top 9 side hustles include pet sitter, personal shopper, tutor, and much more. Find the perfect fit for you and get started today. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.